Here I go again in my little kitchen, and today we're going to do a one-pot meal. So let's get started. The meal I'm cooking today is called seasoned rice or cook-up rice. The reason for cook-up is it's a one-pot, and it's almost like a fried rice, but it's not fried, it's steamed. Everything is steamed together. We got bacon in it, we got salted codfish, vegetables like cabbage, red and green pepper, all healthy stuff, but all in one pot. Okay? I'm going to start with some bacon, chopped bacon, and I've got some oil heating on here. And remember, for all the measurements, you go to my website, cooklikeajamaican.com. I'm sauteing the bacon, and I get it fairly crisp, not dry. And when I've done that, I'll push it aside and add the onion and the green peppers and green and red peppers. So the next step is to add the onion and the red and green peppers. Saute it for a minute or so until the onion becomes transparent. And while that is happening, I'll add some salt and black pepper. This is a very quick meal, and we've got some ketchup and some pepper sauce here. Now we're going to combine the bacon with that. Add the pumpkin and the cabbage. I'm going to sweat this down for a minute, so I'm going to put the lid on, and after we add the codfish and the rice. I'm going to add the codfish, which is boneless, skinless codfish, soaked in cold water overnight to get rid of the salt, or most of the salt anyway, and drain and rinse. Here's the codfish cut in chunks. You need to do this instead of keeping it in one big piece, because you'll get rid of the salt better when you cut it in smaller pieces.
Oh, so before you soak it, cut it up?
Yes.
Okay.
Cut it up, rinse it, and then put the cold water and put it away in the fridge overnight.
Goodies in there.
Yeah. I think I should let you know that you can also use shrimp if you don't have codfish, and if you have both, you can use both as well. But when I was growing up, it was salted codfish. Okay, I'm going to add the rice. And the rice has been rinsed and drained. As in Jamaica we say wash. You wash the rice. I'm going to be adding water to cook the rice and steam everything together. Normally you add enough water when you're cooking rice to cover the rice. But because we have the vegetables in it that has water in itself, and we don't want it to be mushy, you just go just below the rice and the veggies. Now that I've put everything together, I'm going to put the lid on and leave it to steam on close to minimum. And it shouldn't take more than half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour to be ready. Just keep checking for the rice if it's cooked. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, so I'm going to check to see if the rice is cooked. See, it's almost cooked, but we just leave it steaming for another 10 minutes. You fluff it up because sometimes the rice at the top needs a little more cooking, so you turn it over so the rice on the top can get the steam. So, half an hour passed and voila, all ready. Turning it over and you can see it's all ready to go. See all the stuff that's in it, and the rice is nice and fluffy. Seasoned rice or cook-up rice, Jamaican style. My website, cooklikeajamaican.com, and you get all the instructions and ingredients. Try it, you will love it and enjoy. Bye for now.